Hello dear student, welcome to you. A very warm and cheerful morning to you dear student. I hope you have enjoyed your summer vacation a lot and now it gets over and as you all know that today onward our new classes, new session is going to start. So just be ready with your study because each and every day is very important in our life. So first of all, before going to start today's topic, I want to just tell you the syllabus is gets changed. Syllabus जो already change हो चुका है. I hope you have purchased books also, and if few students are still remain to purchase books, so very earlier you have to just purchase it because without book you won't understand any topic very clearly. अगर जब तक आपके सामने बुक नहीं होगी तो आपको क्लियरली कुछ भी अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आएगा. So just purchase it very earlier. So dear student, from today onward we are going to start our course book portion and the books are changed. So first of all, here you can see the new book of English course book and the name of is Beavers. So this book is, you must have to just keep it with you while we start English topic or English portion. So let's get start. So first of all, student, the first one topic of English course book and the name of it, the dentist alien. So in today's lecture we are going to start it. So first of all, I read it, the first paragraph. Mom, I can't go to school looking like this. Why can't I be homeschooled like Meena? Kara, we have been over this. You can't stay away from school for months on end. Where is that water bottle with a straw? Asked his mother firmly. Kara looked at his face in the mirror. The dental headgear with forehead and chin guards and removable elastic band looked grotesque. It looked worse than his classmates' Chitra's stainless steel mouth. So, here I read the first paragraph of this lesson which is given on your book page number 1. So, just underline what you have to do, student. You have to just underline difficult words because we could see many difficult words and many new word meanings are there in our in our English course book. So you must have to just keep it with your English course book while I start any portion or while I read or explain any topic. So it's a story of a boy whose name is Karav. उसका नेम होता है Karav and he is having some dental problem और उसकी कुछ dental problem है. So let's get started and how a child or how a person gets bullied in the class or anywhere. अगर हम कुछ sometimes as you can see that कई बार हमारा मजाक बनता है. Sometimes we gets bullied. हम बुलिड बन जाते हैं या हमारा कई बार मजाक बन जाता है. When it's happen, if sometimes if we are not able to speak properly or if we are too much fat, अगर हम जब बहुत ज़्यादा fat होते हैं और if our height is very small, अगर किसी की height बहुत ज़्यादा small है, बहुत ज़्यादा छोटी है या कोई speak नहीं कर पाता properly, many reasons are there for anyone's bullied. अगर किसी की भी बुली होने के पीछे मतलब किसी का भी मजाक बनने के पीछे बहुत सारे रीज़न हो सकते हैं. सो इन दिस स्टोरी लेट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट वन ऑफ द इंसिडेंट दैट गेट्स बुलिड टू Karav and he felt very shy. Because he is having a dental problem. Now let us see. Mom, I can't go to school looking like this. Now Karav is having dental problem जिसके टूथ पे या जिसके टिप पे टूथ चिप कैप लगी है जिसके वजह से ही फेल्ट वेरी शायद जिससे बहुत शर्म फील होती है और ही फेल्ट वेरी हेजिटेटेड एंड ही वॉन्ट गो टू स्कूल और जिसकी वजह से वो स्कूल नहीं जाना चाहता. Why I can't be homeschooled? He asked his mother that why I can't be homeschooled like Meena. Meena की तरह मैं घर पर क्यों एजुकेशन नहीं ले सकता. What does the mean by homeschool? Educated at home. Kairav, we have been over this. We have been over this means we have already talked about it. His mother replied him that we have been already talked about it. You can't stay away from school for months on end. Where is that water bottle with the straw? Asked his mother. So he firmly said to him that we have already talked about it and it's not possible to take education at home in uh, take education in home. It's not possible. You have to just go to school. Kara looked at his face in mirror, the dental headgear with forehead and chin guards and removable elastic band. Now he started to look at the mirror और वो अपने आप को मिरर में देखने लगता है. The dental headgear with forehead and chin. So here you can see the dental headgear which is attached to the Kairav's head, to the टिथ, जो कैरव के हेड में लगा है, जो उसके टिथ से अटैच है. इट्स वन ऑफ द कैप एंड हियर यू कैन सी इट्स लुक्स वेरी अगली. इट्स नॉट लुकिंग गुड. वो दिखने में अच्छा नहीं लगता एंड इट इज़ द रीज़न टू गेट बुलीड टू द कैरव इन द क्लास. सो दैट्स वाई ही डोंट वॉन्ट टू गो टू द स्कूल एंड इट्स लुक वेरी गॉटेस्क. Goddess means extremely ugly. It looks very ugly. That's why he won't go to the school. It looked worse than his classmates Chitra's stainless steel mouth. It looked worse. It looked worse. और वो उससे भी ज़्यादा worse दिखाई देता है. Chitra's stainless steel mouth. Stainless steel mouth means to chip cap fit over on entire teeth. जब किसी के जैसे आपको भी पता है कि जब किसी के दांत जब बाहर आ जाते हैं, टिथ जब बाहर आने लगते हैं, तो उस पर एक पतली थिन मेटेलिक कुछ लेयर्स लगाई जाती है जिसकी वजह से वो टिथ अंदर हो जाते हैं. सो नाउ द कैरव वांट्स टू से दैट हीज headgear looks very worse than Mina's stainless steel mouth. His tears welled up. His tears filled up at the thought of the name calling he would be suffering, and he started to think about the situation or the atmosphere in the class when he entered in the class, and the student starts to bully him. और जब वो क्लास में एंटर करेगा वो सारे स्टूडेंट उसे चिढ़ाना स्टार्ट करेंगे या टीज करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. He brushed his tears away quickly before crybaby could be added to that list. And when he started to think about it, he brushed his tear और वो अपने आंसू पोंछ लेता है ये सोचते हुए कि he just won't be just called by someone cry baby, कि कोई उसे cry baby कहकर ना पुकारे. So that's why he brushed his tears. He needed a plan to deal with all bullying he would have to face at school. So that's why when he wants to go to the school, before going to school, he wants to just make a suitable plan to deal with all the bullying activities he would have to face at the school. तो स्कूल में उसके साथ ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन या ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट हैपन ना हो जिसकी वजह से वो अगेन he just feel hesitated. So for it he wanted to just make a suitable plan. Next day, Kairav's mother went to school with him for a meeting with his teachers. The day began differently, and next day what happened? Kairav's mother went to school with him for a meeting with his teachers. और वो next day अपनी मम्मी के साथ स्कूल जाता है. No physical education, no craft, no drama, no assembly, ये. Kairav heard his classmates rush into classroom and skid to a stop. He took a deep breath, and what happened when next day he went in his school to his mother, that day he had seen there would be no classes, there would be no craft, there would be no drama and no assembly, and he felt very happy. There is an alien in the room. Sanjay shrinking. Laughter broke the intense silence. There is an alien in the room. Sanjay shrinking. Sanjay shrinking means high sound. Shrinking means high sound. Laughter broke the intense silence. I am starring in a science fiction film, said Kairav calmly. Loser. The face of a loser, cackled Shekhar. And what happened? When next day he went with his mother, so as he was very annoyed and very uh, just जो थोड़ा सा फ्राइटेंड था टू जस्ट थिंक अबाउट द एटमोसफियर इन द क्लास एंड द सेम सिचुएशन हैपेंड विद हिम द स्टूडेंट द अदर स्टूडेंट स्टार्टेड टू टीज हिम बाय लुकिंग हिज हेड गियर. जब वो उसका हेड गियर देखते हैं उसके फेस पर जो उसके टीथ से अटैच है, सो इट वुड बी वेरी अगली टू लुक. सो दैट्स वाई अदर स्टूडेंट स्टार्टेड टू टीज हिम. तो अदर स्टूडेंट उसको देखकर टीज करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, उसे चिढ़ाना स्टार्ट करते हैं. एंड ही स्टार्टेड टू कॉलिंग बाय नेम एलियन, और वो उसे एलियन के नाम से बुलाने लगते हैं बिकॉज ही लुक्स लाइक एन एलियन बाय वियरिंग दैट हेड गियर. I am staring in a science fiction film, said Caro calmly. So he was just he just planned himself that he had planned a lot of answer with him. अब उसने अपने पास बहुत सारे आंसर्स रेडी करके रखे थे कि अगर उसे कोई किसी नाम से बुलाता है तो वो उसे क्या रिप्लाई करेगा. I am starting in a science fiction film, said Caro calmly. So what he said that I am one of the performance in a I am looking like a performer. वो क्या कहता है जब कोई उसे एलियन कह के बुलाता है. सो व्हाट ही रिप्लाइड दैट आई एम लुकिंग अ परफॉर्मर इन अ साइंस फिक्शन फिल्म. Loser, the face of loser, cackled Shekhar. Now he started again. One more student, whose name is Shekhar, he started to laugh on him. वो उसके ऊपर हंसने लगता है. When he saw the Caro who had wear headgear on his head. I ran into a wall. You should see the wall. Caro grinned as widely as the elastic would let him. Grin means to smile broadly. I ran into a wall. You should see the wall. Caro grinned as widely as the elastic would let him. Hey monster, can you breathe? So in this way, when he entered in the class, when he entered in the school, some students started to tease him. कुछ student उसका मजाक बनाना start करते हैं. Why? Because he wear a headgear on his head to attaching his tooth, because he is having a dental problem. Some student would say that he is looking like a monster. Some students would say that he is looking like a alien. But Caro, who is having a lot of answer to give that particular student. So in this way, when a student started to tease him by alien, so what was his reply? That yes, I am looking a science fiction actor or science fiction performer, कि वो किसी एक साइंस फिल्म की परफॉर्मर की तरह लग रहा है. In this way he started to give a reply to all the students. So here we have seen first two paragraph of the story. Now it's time to give the homework. So what's your today's homework, dear student? You have to just read the story and underline difficult words, as well as you have to just complete this word meaning in your notebook. Let I repeat it once again. Just note it down in your notebook. Homeschool means educated at home. Grotesque means extremely ugly. Welled up means filled up. Stainless means steel mouth. Tooth check caps with fit and tire tooth. Shrieking means high sound, and cackles means laughed loudly. So I hope you have just completed in your notebook. So student, will meet you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.